Hey guys, Corey Ballard, Ballard Products. Got Colton here with me. We're going to talk about the TREX 1000 and 2000. This is a new bump head. Guys, it completely changes the game for you guys running speed feeds on your Echoes. If you're looking for a better solution for your Steel, Red Max, Husqvarna, we've got a compatibility chart on the website. Shows how to use this head on all kinds of different brands. We make it super easy on the website. So we're going to talk a little bit about some of the features of this. Colton's got a lot of experience in the field with using the speed feed, putting a speed feed on steel.
Yep.
So let's talk a little bit about this, Colton. Tell them, I guess, what you like about this, what you think the benefits are. Educate our guys on why you think this is going to be a better option than the speed feed you've used in the past.
Yeah, for sure. So what we've got here with the new TREX, for me, after just playing around with it a little bit and using it personally outdoors in the field, is the ease of use, getting it re-spooled, taking a piece of string that you just cut it off your trailer. A lot of times with the Echo, I would notice that I would have difficulty lining up the holes to feed my string through, and I'd actually have to pull the head apart.
You got to take it apart, right?
You got to take it apart,
Yeah.
right. So whereas with this, with it already assembled on the head of your trimmer, I can turn the bump head, get the hole lined up to where I need it. Just take a look at some daylight, got it lined up, boom, slide the string through, done. So I don't have to hassle, fight with it to try and get the hole lined up. It's not taking time out of my day. And then other than that, one of the biggest things for me was difficulty, especially when my string trim got down like on the end of the spool.
Sure.
Everything would coil up really bad and get wrapped around my hand when I was using the speed feed. Noticing with this, however, because it turns right from the head rather than the entire assembly, it's just less. Imagine this on the head of the trimmer. It's just less tangle.
And get it wrapped up.
Get it wrapped up a lot quicker.
And you can use 2 or 4 lines with this.
Correct.
So that's really a really cool feature. We like the durability of this bump head. Guys, we also sell additional bump heads. This thing is built to last. You're gonna get a much smoother, cleaner cut. So if you guys are looking for some other options, check out the TREX on the website. They're available now. Any other features we think on this that plug and play, right? So
Yeah.
One of the cool features is you can just hook it right on your trimmer. It comes with all the accessories you need. We've got 2 different models for the different brands, which you'll see on the website. You're able to just hook it right on. You don't have to buy any extra accessories. So great price point. It's gonna last. I think you guys are gonna love it. Colton's put it out in the field and ran it quite a bit.
Yeah.
You're loving it?
It was a good one. I liked it a lot. Definitely noticeable differences, especially around some of like the post signage and stuff. Because there's 4 lines, it doesn't seem to get cut as quicker, so I'm not using as much line.
Nice. Okay, guys, check out the TREX 1000 and 2000 on the website, ballard-inc.com. Thanks. Have a great day.